Bhushan.
How do you spell it?
Bhushhan.
Okay, so what made you start playing billiards? Like, why did you choose billiards?
I like this game because my brother used to play. He started before me. So I started liking the game and then I started playing. At the age of 14, I started playing this game.
How long have you been playing?
It's been about 8 years now.
Did you learn from somewhere or did you learn yourself?
Yeah, my brother taught me, and Mr. Jairaj is like one of the best coach in India. He taught me.
What do you think about the billiards in Bangalore? Like how, like, what do you think?
Do you think it's becoming more popular? Is it growing?
It is growing, but I think more schools and colleges they should have tables so that they get encouraged to play and stuff.
Do you think the government is helping enough?
No, not at all. I don't agree on that. There's no support from the government. That's why a lot of good players aren't playing. After a point of time, you have to look at your career, what you're going to do. So you can't really focus on it.
What current title of
I've been junior number 2 for 4 years in both billiards and snooker, and I've been state number 2 in 8 ball pool, and state number 3 in 6 red, and a couple of more. That's a long list.
what are your aspirations in the sport? Like, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
See, as of now, I don't have time. For 1 year, I've just taken off from playing. So once I'm set in work and then I get back to playing. So I want to play seriously, just that, time is not a problem.
How many hours do you practice each day?
See, initially for about 3 years, I used to practice 8 hours a day. So then after that, it's not necessary you have to play for 8 hours. But it's okay if you play 2 hours, 3 hours, with good amount of focus.
Did you always play here?
Yes, I started from. It always makes a lot of difference when you play outside and then come in here. So when you start from scratch in the club, so here they teach you professionally. So it's a different ball game altogether. When you play out and come, it's a different thing.
Who's your favorite billiard player?
Pankaj.
Why?
He's one of the best, in India. Nobody can be better than him. Apart from him, in the world level, I like Mike Russell.
What do you like about him?
Mike Russell, he makes the game look so easy. If you're sitting and watching, you'll say, is this so simple? That's the way he plays the game. And even Pankaj does play, but they have their own different way of playing.
Do you watch billiards on TV?
No, I watch only when they play.
So do you learn, when you watch them, do you see what they did wrong and how you...
Yes, that's how I learned. When I initially started playing, I used to stand behind Pankaj and I used to see what he is doing, and if I'm in that situation, what would I do? So that's how you learn. When you sit and watch, that's how you can learn more and more.
Do you think more people from the younger generations are joining and playing the sport?
Yeah, they are, but see what happens, as far as I have seen, you start at the age of 16. So by the time you learn, it's 18. So you have just 3 years to perform in the juniors, which is not enough. So I think technically at the age of 12 if you start, so by 15 you're a good player. If you really want to be good, you can be good in 3 years. So after that, it depends on how you take pressure, how do you handle yourself in the game.
Do you think the lighting and the
temperature of the table?
Table does matter, but lighting doesn't matter for me. With the table, there's a lot of difference. But I think a good player should get adjusted to any table.
Do you have any particular strategies to maintain concentration during a game? Do you do yoga or any exercise to maintain?
No, I generally work out, so that is my way of relaxing. Apart from that, it's just when you're under pressure, you deep breathe and keep yourself calm.
Do Do you think that cricket is given too much importance in comparison to billiards? Like, do you think it's basically the media? Like
See,
during
it's
a
not
cricket match,
only-
there's so many channels showing cricket, but during billiards, do you
It's
think
not only when it comes to snooker, but any other game. Any other game, like athletics, basketball, you name the game, like nothing comes on TV apart from cricket. So like there are a lot of people who are really good in India, but they're not getting a chance to come up is because first thing is people don't know about it. Like only if it comes on TV, they come to know who is the player, what is he up to. And as a anything like cricketers financially they're supported way too much, but I think 10% they give other sport. You can see India on a different level with other sports.
What would you like to see change about like the triathlon or
What?
about like the government helping the triathlon?
See, if the government helps, right, lot of juniors, see, like what happens is usually we start playing at about 21, 22, you stop because you want to start working. So that is the time you're in your peak, like you don't want to let go, but you have to let go because of financial reasons. But if the government is supporting, nothing like it, you can see lot and lot more better players coming out of it.
What do you think that you would encourage younger people to do?
Yes, I would. I would want to see more and more younger people to come and play.
Is there anything else you'd like to tell us about the game?
See, this game is like, it's more than your physical strength, it's your mental game. Like, after a point of time, you'll know how to pot, you'll know how to position. But the way you execute, it's your own way. It's like, if I'm good at something, someone else is good at something else. So you have to accordingly play to your potential. Like, you can't like look at the best and say, okay, I want to play like Pankaj. You can't. So you should play your part, like, how much you can play. That's how you can improve.
How can you pick billiards and snooker instead of like a more mainstream sport like cricket?
See, I've played all kind of sports. Like until my school, I played like cricket, football, table tennis. But see, every other game, it's like, see, what happens in team sport, you're dependent on your team. But when it comes to individual sport, it's you. Like, you're doing everything. Like, you're handling the pressure. There's no, like, pressure of your teammates. You perform, you win. Otherwise, you lose. So it's basically it's only you, and this game is like that.
Has it been tough balancing your personal life with playing billiards?
See, you can. It's not like you cannot. But when it comes to work life, it's difficult. See, until you're in college, you can manage to play because you finished your college by, say, about 12 or 1. Still, you have time from 2 to 7 to play and then get back home.
Do you think when you're working that the like corporates help you? Like, do they consider that you're like a
No,
level
I don't
player?
think. Nobody considers. When it comes to work, like, see, only ONGC as of now and BBCL is supporting the game. Apart from that, railways. But railways, again, you'll have to work for 8 hours, so you don't have time to play. So basically, there's no complete support. There's support to an extent, but it's difficult to survive on it.
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thanks.